Hey, everyone! Today, we're diving into a unique story that combines nature, conservation, and a bit of unexpected animal behavior. You might have heard about the longhorn cows that have been spotted on the seaside at Sefton Coast, but why are they there? Let's find out. First things first, these cows aren't just wandering the beach for fun. They're part of a conservation effort led by the National Trust and the Lancashire Wildlife Trust. The goal? To restore and maintain the Dune grasslands on Sefton Coast. These areas can become overgrown and dominated by certain plant species, which can negatively impact the local ecosystem. That's where the longhorn cows come in. They're essentially nature's lawnmowers. By grazing on the vegetation, they help control the growth of plants that could become invasive. But here's the cool part. They're not just grazing anywhere. They're using something called virtual fencing. Virtual fencing? What's that all about? Well, it's a clever system where the cows wear collars with a unique feature. These collars emit audible cues, almost like a bell, to guide the cows. This virtual fence keeps them within a designated area, allowing them to graze different parts of the dune without the need for physical barriers. Now, you might be wondering why longhorn cows specifically? Well, it's all about their grazing habits. Longhorn cows specialize in rough grazing, which means they tear up the vegetation as they eat. This creates a diverse range of grass heights and small areas of bare ground, which is perfect for native flora and fauna to flourish. But it's not just about the grass. The cow's large size also helps them trample areas of encroaching scrub, preventing it from taking over. It's like they're giving the dunes a much-needed makeover. And get this, historically, these dunes have become overstabilized, meaning they've lost their mobility. The cows are helping to restore that mobility by keeping the grass in check. This partnership between the National Trust and the Lancashire Wildlife Trust is a brilliant example of how we can use animals for conservation. It's a natural and sustainable approach to maintaining the delicate balance of ecosystems. So, the next time you see a longhorn cow on the beach, remember, they're not just there for a stroll. They're hard at work, helping to preserve the beauty and biodiversity of the Sefton Coast. What do you think about using animals for conservation? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video interesting, don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay curious, and we'll catch you in the next one.